Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Guy. Bitcoin just did exactly what I have mentioned in my last video. And in this video I'm going to tell you what Bitcoin do next. So let's get into it. Okay guys, here you can see the BTC USD 1-day chart, and Bitcoin exactly did what I have said in my last video and met my bearish target, which was 10,500. My last video came here and I told that Bitcoin going to fall down, it gonna meet this target 10,500, and that's what it actually did. Let's check what I have said before. And
And
if
if
the
the
bearish
bearish
target,
target,
I
I
can,
can,
you
you
can
can
see
see
here
here
it
it
can
can
fall
fall
down
down
until
until
10,500,
10,500,
which is
which
a
is a
sweet
sweet
spot
spot
for
for
Bitcoin. So
Bitcoin. So
these
these
are
are
the
the
two
two
target
target
price
price
target
target
which
which
we
we
have to
have to
look.
look.
So as you said, what I have said in my last video, so at the moment Bitcoin is trading at the moment 10,613 US dollar, and right now you can see it's below 20 weekly moving average, and which I told you that it's very important weekly moving average, and to become bullish again Bitcoin has to break up to it. So right now this is the next target that you have to watch, 10,700 almost, and after that if it's break 20 weekly moving average, then the next target would be 10,750. So I think 700 and 750, these are the two targets for the bullish point of view we have to consider, and for the bearish point of view we have, this is the first spot we have at 10,500, what exactly happened in the last video as well. This is a very important spot and we have to look after it, and if we break this bearish one, then the next target will be here around 9,900, and there are also CME gap is also around 9,600 and 700, and people are talking about that this have should be met in my opinion also, because all of in the previous history all the CME gaps are filled. So I think this should have to be filled and then we can move again. So in my bearish case scenario, that the Bitcoin can have a dip until here something about 9,600, maybe a fast dip, and then it can come back again and complete this all my other target. Okay, so now we have Ethereum USD 1-day chart, and here you can see that Ethereum is facing a massive resistance at the point at 356 US dollar, and that was the dump which happened 2 days ago. And I told you also in my last video that this is a very strong resistance, 20 weekly moving average, which at that time was 361, and now actually it's coming back a little bit. So now we are having facing at 358. So this is the point we have to watch it. If Ethereum is able to break this one, then definitely we are moving going up, and that would be very bullish. At the time we have to break this 20 weekly moving average. So until that I am bearish, and if we fell down, the next point will be 336 US dollar, and if we can't able to stop here, the next point will be about 293. I hope that it will not go until there, but as you can see the technical analysis, the buying oscillator is saying to buy, but the summary overall is selling. So people are selling at the moment, and moving average is also indicating selling, which is not good at right now. Now we can move to 4-hour chart of Ethereum USD, and we can see that Ethereum is just sitting around this 20 weekly moving average. We need to break this 20 weekly moving average, which is around 350, which is facing at the moment. Here you can see I am using Phoenix for leverage trading, and if you also want to do leverage trading, please use my referral link down below. This helps the channel a lot. So now we can come back and you can see that this is we have to break, and once we have break, so once you can see that this point is breaking up, we can put a long position and we can take profit at 351. And if it's also able to break this one, the next take profit will be 355. And if it's also able to break this resistance, the next top will be 362. So don't forget to take profit as it's break resistance. Also on the same thing on 1 day chart, the main resistor we are facing at 356, next will be 360, and once we are above this 360, definitely there would be a moon here. We are going to the moon. So if you also see in the past, whenever we are able to break this 20 weekly moving average, we go up quite a big and then we come back again. Here you can see also that we have a small pump, we come back, touch again, we have a small pump, come back, that's again, and then we fell back down. So this is very important. So keep an eye on these target for Ethereum gold average trading. So here are some Bitcoin news. I think everybody knows about what's happening with the BitMEX and what's happening with COVID-19 and Trump. BitMEX prices keep calm and carry on. And there are some news you can see here. 3 reasons why the CFTC action against BitMEX will not crash Bitcoin price. So I think Bitcoin price is still stable at 10,500, which is very bullish, and it has been there for almost like more than 65 days. This is quite bullish. Here you can see the long-term chart. Somebody shared on the Twitter that this is the lowest point we have been ever. At the moment it's gonna be like 10,500 or 9,700 at last if we fill this CME gap, and this will be the lower top will be something about 13,000. And this is a long-term chart of Bitcoin from 2011 until 2020. Here you can see that we are here at the moment, and if we can move up, the last top was something about 19,700, and then the other top was 13,000, and this one, and we already break this line. So this now is acting as a support, not a resistance anymore. So we gonna come and bounce and we're gonna go up, and here you can see that the price will be easily 24,000 or even 50,000 until the end of this year, who knows. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for everybody watching my video. Please like and subscribe and leave the comment what kind of videos you want to see from Crypto Guy. So until that, take care and bye bye.